Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are welcome in our class for class 5th, and today we will continue our lesson number 4 is my elder brother, and this one is part 2. We were talked about in our part 1 there were two brothers, Bhaiya and Munna. Okay, and Bhaiya is very serious about studying and Munna is very naughty boy. He always moving here and there and he is always playing. So Bhaiya is holding him to about study very hard, and Bhaiya gave him a timetable for it's a schedule for daily work, and it's very hard for Munna. Munna was thinking that how can he follow it, but Bhaiya scolded him for serious learning. And here is part 2. It is in page number 67. After given a timetable to Munna, the second part will be continue here. Munna says, but when is the time to play? Because in the timetable there is no time to play. There is only half an hour for strolling, and I told you that strolling means free time. Strolling means free time. So there is only an half an hour for free time. So Munna asked his brother that where is the time for play? Bhaiya says play. What is need, Munna? There is no need of play, Munna. Well, what is the need of play? Because you have to learn very hard, okay, and you have to study very serious way. So there is no any need to play. Munna, oh, I love the green field, the gentle breeze. I want to jump like a football. Munna saying here that he want to play in green field. He like gentle breeze. Here breeze means wind. Okay, gentle wind. Breeze means wind. I want to jump up like a football. He want to jump up like a football. That means he like to play in various games. I like the touch and go and to sound of kabaddi. He want to play football, okay, and you also want to play kabaddi. And hurry and fully of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. He want to play volleyball like a magnet. He also want to be a magnet like a volleyball. As soon as I am on the field, I forgot everything. Whenever Munna is on field, he forget everything because he like to play very much. Scene 2. The final exam are over and the result are out. Here, the final exam was over and the results were out. Bhaiya, alas, I have failed once again. The elder brother Bhaiya also failed in the exam. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped in my class. Munna is in our story. Munna was very naughty boy, but in final exam, Bhaiya was failed and Munna was passed and topped in his class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. There are 2 years between them, but now Bhaiya once again failing in the same class and Munna passed. So there is only 2 years difference between them. Bhaiya says, but my dear brother, don't be so proud, okay? Bhaiya says, don't be so proud on you. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart, okay? You only pass in one class, and what you think? You are very smart and I am stupid, I am fool. Once in a while, in a gulli danda game, you might get lucky and hit a ball, but that does not mean you have mastered the Bhaiya says it's not a gulli danda game, okay, that you go in luckily and you mastered the game, but it is about study. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of hard work. Whenever you will study in higher class, you will understand the importance of hard subject like geometry and all. So there is very importance of study. Said elder brother, Bhaiya, in geometry if one writes ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. In geometry if you write any alphabet in another way, so answer will be marked in wrong. The examiner will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbook. The examiners want that you have to learn word by word. So Bhaiya is scolding his brother about the study. Munna says, "Oh Bhai Sahab, this is scary. I don't think I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in class." Munna saying that he's not scaring about the 9th class because he is passed in 8th class, so he's not scaring about 9th class. He's still now thinking about his homework for that day, so he didn't get punishment. Bhaiya says, "Just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic of punctuality." Punctuality means like a clockwork. क्लॉक की तरह काम करना, समय से काम करना. It's called punctuality. So he says that we are going to write essay on punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? Is it all so mixed up? Munna says, thinking aloud, thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and on. Okay, he saying that thanks God that it is the time for school, otherwise the scolding would go on. Scene 3. The result were out once again. Another time the result came out, and it so happened that Munna passed and Bhaiya failed again. In another class, in the next year also, Munna passed and his elder brother Bhaiya failed again. Bhaiya was really upset. He was not in good mood. Munna was also sad seeing his brother so unhappy. His younger brother Munna also unhappy because his elder brother failed in once again. Bhaiya now became gentler with Munna. Munna became naughtier because of this and studied even less than before. Now Bhaiya became very gentler to his younger brother Munna, and Munna became very naughtier because he passed 2 times. So he studied even less than before. पहले से भी कम study करने लगा because he passed again. Munna talking aloud, "Oh, I am lucky. I can pass easily. I am very lucky because I am pass easily. I need not study so hard. Now I can play games with my friends and fly kites, but I should still be careful that Bhaiya does not see me flying kites." He was thinking, or he was talking about aloud that there is no need to study very hard because I am pass in easy way. So I can play some various type of game, I can fly kites, but I should still be careful from elder brother Bhaiya because he scolded him. So Bhaiya does not see me. One day a kite is flying slowly downwards. Munna started running in order to grab it. Grab means pakadna, catch karna. Suddenly he came face to face with Bhaiya. One day what happened there? One kite is flying downwards to the field, and Munna started running to catch it, and suddenly her younger brother Bhaiya comes face to him. Bhaiya says, catching hold of Munna's hand. Aren't you ashamed to be playing kites all day long? Ashamed means embarrassed. Sharam आना. तो भैया says, aren't you ashamed to play all day? Don't you realize that now you are in 8th class and are you not studying in lower class? आप अब lower class में नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, आप 8th class में हो. You are not realize that. If you think that I am just one class ahead of you and you can't say anything, you are wrong. I am 5 years older than you are. His elder brother say that you don't think that I am just one class ahead of you, but I am 5 years older than you. You have to mind this thing. And will always be, and I am always elder than you. So you have to mind it. Understanding does not come only from reading books. Look at Ma and Baba. Elder brother saying that understanding does not comes from the textbook. Okay. Look at Ma and Baba. Ma has never gone to school and Baba has only passed 5th class. But they are very clever in some way. So there is no need to read or learn everything from the textbook. There are so many ways to learn from the another way, from the surrounding us. Munna says, really Bhaiya, is it true? That is true that we can learn from surrounding area and all. Bhaiya says, yes, there are 1,000 things that they know more than you or me. There are so many things, 1,000 things that Mummy and Papa know more than us. Us means Bhaiya and Munna. And even if we have studied the wisdom of the whole world, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain to us and correct us. If we will learn all the knowledge of world, but mother and father, Ma and Baba will always have the right to explain and correct us. Now, what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Now Bhaiya asking to Munna that, what will you do if I were sick today? Munna says, I don't know Bhaiya. I would tell Baba and he would rush to the hospital. I would tell to my father, Baba, and he would rush to the hospital. Bhaiya says, I had accepted this answer from you. Now Baba would not get upset. If I get ill, then Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and then he would call a doctor. He would not rush here and there, but he would find out the reason of illness and then Baba would never rush here and there, but he would call a doctor for me because they have more experience than us. Munna with tears in his eyes. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. Munna realized that Bhaiya is saying whatever it is true. Bhaiya hugs Munna lovingly. Bhaiya says, I also like to play and fly kites, but if I also play, then how can I watch out for you? If I also play like you, then how can I watch on you? You are my responsibility. Okay? I have some responsibility for you because I am your elder brother. Munna says, I love you, Bhaiya. So, it is our lesson, my elder brother. It is also based on the Hindi novel Bade Bhai Saheb by Premchand. So you have to read out this lesson, sit with your textbook, you have to read out the new words from this lesson, and we will continue this lesson with the exercise of this lesson in our next video.